Hi guys, welcome back to the music school. My name is Abhijith Hegde. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the sequencer in Ultrabeat. So let's get started. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to create a MIDI channel. So I'm going to hit the plus sign here and I'm going to say so create a new software instrument. And then I'm going to go into my instrument panel here and I'm going to select an Ultrabeat. You can use this drop down menu to load any default presets that you have, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to select this preset here. The next thing, to use the built-in sequencer that is there in Ultrabeat, the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to turn on the sequencer, and Logic has some pre-made sequencer patterns that you can use for your production. So I'll just demonstrate a couple of them for you. So all these different patterns are different presets that you can basically use for the sequencer mode. So I'm going to start just by showing a couple of them. So depending on what pattern you like, you can just drag this small column that you see onto your arrangement view here, and Logic will automatically create these patterns in your MIDI notes that you can use for your production. Before using it, make sure you turn off the sequencer in the Ultrabeat, and after just play this loop back again to you. So that's how we use the built-in sequencer in Ultrabeat using the Logic Pro X software. I hope you all enjoyed this video. For further information regarding the courses that we have to offer, make sure you check out our website. I'll see you guys until next time.